Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to correct the orientation of a funky assembly file. So if you click on the home button in Inventor and your assembly doesn't go to a nice isometric, there's a really easy way to fix it. I'll show you how to fix it in the assembly file, which is right here, and I'll also show you how to fix it in the drawing file. So the first button that you're going to use is this Look At button over in your navigation bar. So if you click on this and click on any face of your cube, it's going to orient it so it's head on. Now notice that your view cube is also a little wonky and crooked. So you're going to right click on your view cube, set current view as front, and that will reorient your cube here. You can also go to the top left corner, which is your true isometric, right click on your view cube again, set current view as home, and then you can select fixed distance or fit to view. It doesn't matter. So now no matter where you orient your view cube and you press home, that will bring you back to your original isometric view. Once you have done this, make sure you save it, and that will update in the rest of your files. Now, if you're working in your drawing file and you go to base and you see that you're trying to place your assembly file for your orthographic projection, it should not look like this. So what you're going to want to do instead is in your view cube, go to the drop down and go to custom view orientation. In this, you can go to your Look At button. And if your assembly is a little funky, once again, go ahead and click on a face, right click on your view cube, set current view as top or front, doesn't matter. Say Finish Custom View, and now you should be able to go back in and work with your file accordingly. Now notice that your view cube is still a little bit crooked in that view that I just showed you. I recommend going back to your original assembly file and fixing it there before you actually start in your title block. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.